Mocktail Mojito, I have taken some roughly crushed mint leaves. Now I am gonna add some lemon slices to it. And now I'll be adding 1 teaspoon sugar. Now press them with a spoon so that all the flavors get mixed. After pressing gently, lemon and mint have released their flavors. Now I'm gonna take another glass and now put crushed ice into it. Add lots and lots of ice. Now add this mixture to the glass. Now add some lemon juice to it. And now pour some soda to it. Now I am filling the glass with Coke. You can use soft drink of your choice. Add more mint leaves. And more lemon. Now decorate it with a slice of lemon. For mango munch, add 2-3 spoons of freshly chopped mango. Now add some tomatoes. And now I'm gonna add very few green chilies just for a spice. And now add the juice of half freshly squeezed lemon. Now at the end, add salt and black pepper powder. Now give them a good mix. Now for the munching flavor, I'll use this crunchy biscuits. Now garnish these biscuits with the topping. In the same way, decorate all the biscuits. So now our mango munch is ready to serve with our mojito. Serve our mojito with mango munch and enjoy.